Hello, my name is Gary Martin, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you why these AI workflow bots that we've just released are going to completely change your content strategy. Now, the first one we've released is an SEO blog generator that will generate blogs for you on demand, and you only have to set it up once. So as you see here, we are tapping into the power of Airtable, and we've set up this example with a Kansas City-based senior photographer, also does Lux type sessions, fine art sessions, and we've created an entire content strategy for him to start, or her, to start ranking locally in Kansas City. Now this is all generated locally with our bot, and it will create these titles of blogs, the targeted keywords that we're gonna rank for, the topic that we're gonna use to find a thumbnail if you don't already have one, and then additional keywords that are gonna help us rank locally when your potential clients are searching on Google for who to go to. So it's all about getting found. It's all about dominating your local SEO and learning about keyword gap analysis from what your competitors are doing to show up on page one and why you might not be. So it's as easy as setting up these inputs. You put in your input. Once this is set up, you put in your location, you put your name, you put the point of view you want to write these blogs in, which is phenomenal. And then you can pick a style of writer over here that can be completely changed and customized. It could be Shakespeare if you want to. It could be Henry David Thoreau. It could be Hunter S. Thompson. Whoever you want to sound like in your writing, you can choose and you can vary it up. So we've got a tone of voice, and then we've got an audience over here. Who are you writing to? These bots are gonna help you come up with all of that and generate content as fast as you can think about it. And then it's gonna send it all the way to WordPress. It's gonna send it to Google Docs. It's gonna back it up for you. It's gonna do all the work that you don't wanna be doing because you need to be out shooting, right? You wanna be creative. So I invite you to check out these bots. It also comes with an entire SEO education that we've put together so you can understand the fundamentals of what you're doing. You're gonna understand that it's gonna start with Airtable. I'm gonna show you how to set up your ChatGPT API, which is free with any ChatGPT OpenAI account. We're gonna show you how to set up and customize your inputs. We're going to show you how to go to Pexels and pull in a thumbnail so you don't have to pick a thumbnail if you don't have one that's gonna be appropriate for your blog article. We're gonna take it all the way back to Airtable and publish everything in an Excel spreadsheet so you can just upload it right to Squarespace if you want to, or wherever your website is at. And then we're gonna back everything up completely formatted in Google Drive so you have a backup of these blog articles with meta title, meta description, image alt tag, all of your SEO keywords. Everything that you don't wanna do, this bot is gonna do for you. And this is just one of many of those bots that we are gonna be releasing over the next few months. I don't know if that was 60 seconds or not. I tried to make it condensed, but I hope you get the gist. And I invite you to Pro EDU to our AI workflow bot series.